I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it, to make it. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on. And I'll stand against all enemies, your enemies. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking, but I'll still be your superhero. I'll be your superhero. I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it, to make it. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am reviewing a new unit, a new bomb unit. Okay, so this unit, get the box for you guys. Today's unit comes from Ishow Hair. I'm super excited to be working with this company. They reached out to me and they sent me one of their beautiful 24-inch units, and y'all, this unit is so freaking gorgeous. So I'm pulling up some information from my phone because y'all know, like, I can't really remember everything specifically. So this is their Body Wave Lace Front Wig, 24 inches like I mentioned earlier. I love the length. It's like an appropriate length for me, for my height. This is like, I don't know, she's cute. Okay, what I did in today's video is I bleached the knots, and let me just say that I literally had perfection in bleaching these knots. I'm gonna insert a clip here so you guys can see. Like, I feel like I'm getting better at it, so I'm gonna do a video soon about how to bleach your knots on your units. So I went ahead and I went a little cray-cray with the baby hairs today. So as you guys see, I have baby hair galore going on this wig. So initially my first thought was I wanted to make it into a middle part, but then I was like, Kai, you do so many middle parts that I needed to do something different. Okay, so I said let's hit them with a side part, one that is just, you know, kind of careless and free, and that's what I feel like I have going on here. I used some different curling irons today too. These are my mom's. Sorry mom, I stole her curling irons, but so I tried these today, and I actually like how the curls look. They're like more big and voluptuous and free versus when I use my curling one. They're just, you know, just get a little different curl texture there. But I really like how it came out with this curling iron. I'm gonna show you guys in a slow-mo effect of me curling this. Ooh. This ish is hot. It's real hot. And it holds curls so well. Like, I didn't even put any like hold spray or anything in this hair, and it's holding its curl like perfectly. See, look at that. Just gorgeous, honey, just gorgeous. So just a little bit of facts about the hair. The hair is not shedding like crazy. I love that. I'm really appreciative of the hair not shedding. I did go in and pluck the frontal like OD because that was my preference. It didn't necessarily need a whole lot of plucking, but it did need plucking, let me just put it that way. So the knots do not come pre-plucked or pre-bleached, so that is something that you would have to do on your own. However, I feel like the quality of the hair that you're getting is definitely worth it. I'll put everything in the description box below that will give you the direct link to this actual unit. I went ahead and added some of this oil sheen spray just to give it a little bit of shiny effect. Not that it was looking dull, but you know, you just want your hair to have a little shine, a little good little to it. And then this stuff smells so freaking good. It says it's new. It's their Nourishing Sheen Spray. So I just picked it up, and she's cute. I like it. Oh, well, she smells good. I like it. Not she's cute, but this is cute too. But yeah, you guys, this unit is really nice. You can color it if you would like to. It's a human hair wig. I don't know if I want to curl this because I kind of like the black that I'm getting from this, so I think I might leave it like it is. I don't know. So the lace blends into my skin really well. I didn't do anything to the lace as far as like tinting it or adding any foundation powder to it. I did none of that, and as you can see, it blended into my skin really well. Just give y'all like a little close-up. Like, it literally blended into my skin so extremely well. I'm really thankful for that. I don't really like this edge right here, but since it's kind of dried down now, I'm gonna leave it like it is. But and plus today is Thanksgiving, so I'm ready to go eat some food. But yeah, you guys, this is what this unit came out looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Please check out IshowBeauty Hair because they have some amazing units. Like, the quality of these units are so freaking good. Like, I had no problems, and when you don't have any issues with wigs, I think that means that they really put some care into their wigs and some quality into their hair. So just throwing that out there. If you guys enjoyed today's video, leave me a thumbs up. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.